Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, we're going over the newsletter block for Gutenberg to create a quick newsletter form for your audience. Let's go. First, let's add a block space below the heading there. Then type / and newsletter within the block space, and the newsletter block will float on top. Now click on it to insert the block on the page. And that's the default appearance of the block. From the options on your right, you can pick a content style under the preset option. There are 4 of them right now. And right below, you can select the button style. Either choose a separate button or push it inside the input field area. Back in the first preset, there are buttons below that let you show a name field and the email field for the newsletter. Also, you can turn off the button text or icon with the switches. In the content section below, you can change the icon for the submit button, along with the field labels, button text, and placeholder texts. You can show a successful warning and error message from the message section depending on the use action. All right. Now let's move into the Style tab, where we can customize the appearance of the newsletter. The first option enables you to adjust the bottom spacing of the form. Then you can customize the font style using the typography option. After that, you can edit the color of the label for both normal and focus modes. Also, there is a separate typography option for the fields. Right below it, you can customize the border radius, and padding for the fields. For the border, you can select solid or custom border types, and then adjust border width and color. Once the padding is settled, you can edit the colors for the input text, placeholder, and background. Though for background, you can even go with a gradient color, your choice. And there's also a box shadow option for the fields, in case you want to add outer or inner shadow effects. Additionally, the color, width, and shadow options are available for focus mode. Focus can also be called hover. Just go ahead and customize how you want it. Next comes the button section. You can start with the button icon size here. Then change the typography. You can also adjust the button size manually. Just like fields, there's a border option for the button, so you can add a custom border around the button box, also followed by the border radius and padding options. After that comes the text, icon, and background color of the button. Not to miss the box shadow option right next to it. You can also find these options in hover mode as well, letting you customize your button hover effect. The last section is the message. Here, you can customize the typography for the message text. Then you will find the border radius, padding, and margin options below. Notice that there are 3 different color settings for success, warning, and error messages. And that's it. You have finished customizing your newsletter block. Just like that, you can get many more designs out of this block by customizing the options your way. Be creative and get even more amazing outputs. Get inspired by these ready patterns. And that's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!